How I created my own action figure and animated it with AI. Ever wondered what it would be like to become your own action figure? Let me show you exactly how I did it using ChatGPT and Kling AI. I started by opening ChatGPT and I just used my own prompt. So I said, please create an action figure of me in a purple box. On the box cover, please indicate my name, Trisha L. Horton, an online English teacher for business English and general English. As an accessory, put a halo light, an Apple phone, a laptop, a purple coffee mug, a purple water bottle, a pile of English courses I have created with a mini picture of me. Logo, Trisha can motivate you in English. I want to wear, and it didn't say whether, let me change that. I want to wear black trousers and a white sweater and my diamond rings, hoop earrings, and my diamond necklace. This is what I always wear. So this would be very close to myself. And I almost forgot, I included a picture I used. And here is my brand new action figure, Trisha L. Horton, online English teacher for business English and general English. As you can see, it has my logo and my English courses, along with my water bottle and my purple coffee mug. So it took a few minutes for ChatGPT to generate my action figure. But after a few minutes, boom, I had my action figure before my very eyes, looking like a total boss. And here comes the fun part. I opened up Kling AI. And here is Kling AI. So what I did was I uploaded my image that I had gotten from ChatGPT, my action figure, and look, it generated a video. And then what I did was I took my voice and used CapCut. I uploaded the video. I'm Trisha, and I help professionals feel confident speaking English at work and build the mindset to grow through it. As a teacher, coach, and content creator, I turn real life situations into practical lessons so learners can express themselves naturally, clearly, and with ease. Video. I used CapCut and I did the voiceover for my video. And that is all that you need to do. That is the easiest way to do it. It's super fun, and you can see that you can use your colors, your brand, and all of that fun stuff. So I hope that you will like and subscribe to my channel for more English content.